Ninja NC301 CREAMi Ice Cream Maker. The Ninja NC301 CREAMi Ice Cream Maker is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to make delicious frozen treats at home. With its powerful motor and unique Creamify technology, it transforms frozen bases into smooth, creamy ice cream, sorbet, gelato, and more. The unit features 7 one-touch programs, including options for sorbet, milkshake, and smoothie bowls. It comes with a 1.5-quart bowl capacity, perfect for making multiple servings of your favorite frozen desserts. The machine's easy-to-clean design ensures hassle-free maintenance, and its compact size makes it ideal for any kitchen. Whether you're craving indulgent ice cream or healthier alternatives, the CREAMi delivers restaurant-quality results with minimal effort. The innovative blade system ensures consistent texture and prevents icy crystals. The CREAMi Ice Cream Maker is compatible with a variety of frozen bases, offering endless customization possibilities. Its sleek, modern design fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Enjoy homemade frozen treats in the comfort of your own home with the Ninja NC301 CREAMi Ice Cream Maker.